Welcome back, Madventures, to this week's episode. Don't worry, there's no karaoke. It ain't a karaoke boat. Last week saw the captain's quarters. Now we're going to finish it off with a heave 2. Keep watching, guys. Managed to sort the sail out as well. A bit better than it was yesterday. It just seems to snag in the middle for some reason. I know my reefing lines that could do with being a bit better. Seems to struggle a little bit of setup on this one. It's got a roller boom on it as well. That's give up on me. But the trouble is, you buy a new mast, it's the cost of the boat. You have to go and buy a new boat, really. Not worth buying. She's alright, she sets up alright, she sails fine, so keep going till it comes that time to do something with it. That's where I've just left. That's the, you can't really see the mouth of it. This is called putting the handbrake on. It's not going forwards, not going backwards. Just turn a little bit into the wind. Front sail just counteracts your main sail. And if you've got a man overboard, it helps to go back and recover him as well. Hopefully you don't come into them situations. Just sat still, absolutely still. The waves aren't as bad as last time. Still choppy. It's keeping me on my toes the wind today. It's a good thing. Heaving to everybody. Just doing my best to keep him away. Got a bit of a race on. See how well I do. I'll come back to you. Keep him off my tail. Got to say, I'm not competitive in the slightest. That guy over there that I'm racing, I can't be I've got to beat him. I've got to beat him. I'm not competitive. Best of it is as well, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just sailing. Let's hope I can find an anchorage somewhere. Yeah, get myself back up there tomorrow for tea. Oh dear. Love it. Good news is I've moved my traveller. Bad news is he's past me. So it's calmed down a bit now. Give me a chance to have my lunch. Don't worry, I'm not just eating hula hoops. I've had my butter. I'll just calm it down a bit. Still a bit lumpy. We've got a wind over tide at the minute, that's why it's lumpy. That means that the water's running one way and the wind's blowing the other. Still soon though, so well, I got as far as Brightling Sea, if I've got the name right, which is that. We've had good weather. I think that'll do me for this week. I've only had 3 days, so I'll get myself back home tomorrow. That'll do for now. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos. Well, Madventurers, that's the end of the weekend. Follow us next time as we head over to the Isle of Wight. It's only Cows Week coming up, guys. Cows Week. Guess who joins us? See on the coast. There is due some lightning storms. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe and share. Things can only get better.